Hi YouTube, so today's video is a paint with me, and today I'm going to be painting Okoye from Black Panther. Okoye is such a confident, courageous, fearless woman, and I really loved her role in Black Panther. I loved how she protected Black Panther as well as fought for Wakanda, fought for her country. So I'm excited to be painting her. Here you see I'm applying that first dreadful layer. The only reason why I say it's dreadful is because I'm such an impatient person and I be wanting to see results right away. But that's why I love painting, because it helps teach me patience. Here I'm just filling in the background, trying to get at least one coat of paint on the whole canvas, get everything painted before I start layering the colors. Here I'm painting the armor. So I'm not really a realistic painter, but I am still finding my style. So this metallic part, I went over it and over it again and again, trying to make sure that it looks metallic and it looks like armor. I have trouble with the fine details because I am not really a realistic painter. I'm kind of like in between, I would say, realistic and abstract, and I would consider myself more towards the abstract side. I like my paintings to have brush strokes, and you can like kind of see my process. Here I'm just trying out some techniques, some different techniques. Flickering the paint to get some paint splatters on there. I was dipping the paint in the Gamsol and just letting it drip to create some cool effects in the background. So having a little bit of fun with it and kind of making it my own more instead of just copying off of the image. So this was my first time applying any type of gloss to my painting after. I've seen it done in other videos, and I really like the look of it, the finished look. So I have some stand oil and I'm pouring that over my painting and just making sure that it's on there evenly and that it's well coated. And that's it for the video. I really hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and go follow me on Instagram so you can see more photos. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe below. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye.